Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research using Storefront Stalking for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group so you guys can learn how to sell on Amazon for free and also network with other Amazon sellers. I'm going to post the link of my group below. Okay, so yeah, Storefront Stalking. I usually start my process by picking a random Amazon listing that looks like this, right? And then I use Seller Amp. I go down my Seller Amp, and then I pick a like a random store from this listing right here, and then from here I go through the seller's products, right? And then I usually look for products that have a max cost of at least $10. So for example, this one right here, max cost is $20. So I would click this product, open up the Amazon page, and then open up a Google page. It looks like this. And the max cost of this product again is 2078, right? So I would go through all these products and look for um, a supplier that's selling this product for $20.78 or less, right? That's how I do it. So this looks like it. Let's see. Is this the one? So original, Greenies original. Okay. Looks like the same product, right? 36 pieces. 36 count for dogs 25 to 50 pounds. Yeah, looks like the same product. Okay, so this product is $12.97. Here, let's plug in the numbers. So it's $12.97, right? So first, you got to make sure that you can sell this brand, right? And then here, the sales per month is 40,000. This one's a variation. So I would go to the variations on your seller amp, and then I would pick the exact variation, which is this one, right? And then check it. So this product is getting 15% of all the sales, right? Based on the variations tab on seller amp. So I would take 15% of 40,777 times 50%. 15%, right? 15%. So this exact variation is selling at 6,000 sales a month. Um, and you're going to be sharing your sales with these other sellers. I mean, everything looks good, except that Amazon is on the listing. So I usually look at keep a chart. So Amazon's on the listing, but it's currently priced at $40 or $39.98. And then we can look at the buy box analysis. So Amazon.com is getting 84% of the sales for this product, which is pretty dominant, right? But I think it's okay because it's sharing with other sellers. And this product is getting 6,000 sales a month. So there's enough sales volume for this product. And then I'm pretty familiar with this website. I know it's legit. But if you guys want to double check, you guys can you guys can get the website and then review the website. Where is that? Yeah, I think this is the one that I looked at last time. Yeah, this one is saying this website that we just sourced from is a legit website. It has 4.9 out of 5 reviews, 66% of verified buyers. So, yeah, I think this one is good. So, this one we keep. So, now that you found one, right? So, you buy it from your source, and then you if you have a prep center, you ship it to your prep center. If not, you ship it to yourself. And from there, the product goes to Amazon. And then once Amazon receives the products, they do all the selling for you. So, yeah, you found one from this video. So now we go to the next one. Let's see. I think this product is. I think. Um. Let's see. I think it's on the same listing, but it's a different variation. But let's see. So the max cost of this product is $20.78. So again, go to your Google Shopping and then look for products that are 27.8 or less. That's the same one as this one, right? So 24 is this one. Maybe. Let's see. 2074 times 4. I don't think these are the ones though. So this one is only a 4-piece. This one is a 24-piece. So it's not going to work. This one is a 4-piece also. So no, it's not going to work. So um let's try it from this website that we used earlier, just because it could be here. So I got plus plus, and then you get the title. You look it up there. This website. No, it's not here. Yeah, I think it's this one, but the cost is too high, right? So yeah, guys, hope you guys got that from my video. We found one product on this 8-minute video, so that's good. And if you guys got that from my video, please don't forget to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to put the description below, or the link below in my description. And that way you guys can learn how to sell on Amazon for free and also network with other sellers. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.